Which signs have black letters on a yellow or orange background? C. Warning signs. Diamond. Tampering with emissions control devices can cause. D. Increased air pollution. What does this sign indicate? A. Parallel railroad crossing. Side road. A parent of a child younger than 6 years of age may not. C. Leave the child unattended in a motor vehicle for more than 15 minutes. Stop lines, crosswalks, and parking spaces are marked by. C. White lines. At night, glare from oncoming cars can. B. Reduce your vision. A center lane between lanes of traffic traveling in opposite directions may be designated for. A. Left turns only. Pedestrians approaching a railroad highway grade crossing must stop when. D. All of the above. Warning devices are flashing, a human flagger is warning of an approaching train, and an approaching train is clearly visible. Right of way may be yield to emergency vehicles. D. Using a siren or flashing red, blue, or white lights. High beam headlights are most effective for speeds faster than. B. 25 miles per hour. This sign indicates. A. A slow moving vehicle. When entering an expressway, never stop in the acceleration lane unless. D. Traffic is too heavy for you to merge safely. If you're involved in a minor crash and your vehicle is blocking the flow of traffic, you must. B. Move it. What is an ideal situation for overtaking and passing another vehicle on the right? C. When the vehicle you're passing is making or about to make a left turn. The length of a point suspension is 1 year for. A. 24 points within a 36-month period. The risk of death is times greater if you're thrown from a vehicle in a crash. D. 5 times greater. Before entering a curve, drivers should and watch for oncoming vehicles. C. Slow down, move to the right side of the road. Are motor vehicles allowed to drive in bike lanes? A. No, except at intersections were indicated by broken white lines and only when no bicyclists are present in the bike lane. Your car stalls on the tracks at a railroad crossing, and a collision with a train is imminent. After getting yourself and your passengers out of the car, you should. C. Run towards the train but stay off the tracks. Which shape is a warning sign? D. Diamond. Which of the following can be dangerous? D. All of the above. Reading while driving, driving while adjusting the radio, and driving while calling a mobile phone. If a driver doubles the speed of a car, they increase its force of impact by C. 4 times. An orange warning may indicate D. A construction area. Which of the following is not a defensive driving tip? B. Hitting a post is better than hitting a bush. When they see this sign, drivers should D. Be ready to shift to lower gear. Driving 15 miles per hour or less over lawful or posted speed will result in points being added. B. 3 points. If your vehicle enters water, it will float on the surface for before starting to sink. B. 30 to 60 seconds. A bicyclist on a sidewalk or a crosswalk. C. Must yield the right of way to pedestrians. The length of a point suspension is 30 seconds for B. 12 points within a 12-month period. When two vehicles meet on a steep mountain road where neither can pass, which vehicle has the right of way? B. The vehicle traveling uphill. When is it legal to pass another vehicle using the shoulder of a road? D. Never. Parking is not allowed within feet of any stop sign, flashing signal, or traffic signal. A. Within 30 feet. All the expressway entrances have three basic parts. C. Entrance ramp, acceleration lane, and merging area. When they see this sign, drivers C. Should not speed up or brake quickly. At the time of arrest for DUI, you will be administratively suspended if you B. Refuse to submit a chemical test. When passing a truck, drivers should D. Let the truck driver know they are passing by blinking their headlights. Which of the following is not correct? When making a turn, drivers should C. Give a turn signal for at least 10 feet before you make the turn. More than half of the crashes that cause injury or death happen at speeds less than miles per hour and within miles from home. B. 40 miles per hour and within 25 miles. You are parked on a downward slope of a street. It is a one-way street and you are parked against the left curb. Which way should your front wheels be turned? C. To the left. What does a red arrow signal mean? A. Do not make the movement shown by the arrow until the green light appears. If a chain is used as a towing connection between two vehicles, what does the chain need to have displayed on it? C. A white flag at least 12 inches square. Who is more affected by alcohol? C. Young drivers. An average 140-pound woman will become legally intoxicated after consuming alcoholic drinks. An average 180-pound man will become legally intoxicated after consuming alcoholic drinks. A. 2 and 3. People who drive after drinking risk all of the above: injuries and fatalities, higher insurance rates, jail sentences, heavy fines, and loss of license.